Meteorologist Troy Bridges is also watching some activity in the tropics.
Oh yeah, remember Saturday was the peak, the 10th of September in the tropics. So we are seeing more activity. And yes, there is one low that we're going to have to pay closer attention to now. It has a 40% chance of development within the next 5 days. This is the one that will eventually move closer to Puerto Rico. So it could be a player there. The question is, how strong will it get in the next 5 days when it gets closer to the island? And then after that, will it make a turn away from the rest of the U.S.? We'll have to watch that closely. But for now, it has a 40% chance of development within the next 5 days. Then another low there near the Cabo Verde Islands only has a 20% chance of development within the next 5 days. So that's the tropics. But back close to home for now, we are pinpointing rain in a line, just as predicted early this morning. This line coming in associated with a front that's to the north and plenty of moisture and energy in the Gulf of Mexico that continues to push from the west to the east. So the beaches today will eventually get in on some heavy rain, and there is the risk for a couple of strong to severe storms. Strong wind, lightning, and heavy rain, a real possibility. But right now we're seeing some pretty heavy rain where you're seeing the reds and yellows on the screen. That's about 2 inches of rain or more an hour coming down for the Ocala National Forest. Eventually this area of rain heads to Pearson, and then it stretches all the way back down. Right now, light rain for Ocala and Bellevue. Heavier rain on top of the villages, but you just had the heavier stuff move really off to your east, and now the heaviest stuff is moving into Leesburg, stretching back to Eustis, Mount Dora, and Umatilla, and then eventually over along to the east coast. So we will get rain along our beaches as we head into the afternoon and lingering into the evening hours as late as 8, 9 o'clock into Brevard County. But there's Bushnell. Again, some heavy rain just moved on top of you. Light rain for now. It's heading into Leesburg and eventually also into Claremont. Now back close to home, not close to home, but back close to central zones. As we show you Orlando, we're seeing a mix of clouds and sun. Mostly those fair weather cumulus clouds, but some breaks here and there and more of that rain on the way. It feels like 94. The actual temperature is 88 from that view, and many spots right now in the upper 80s, near 90 degrees, except the rain-cooled air in Ocala, where it's 78, 74 rain-cooled air in the villages, but it's 85 in Leesburg, it's 86 in Cocoa Beach, and 87 at Cape Canaveral. You factor in the humidity at the surface, and it does feel like the mid-90s to the upper 90s. Titusville feeling more like 97 right now, feels like 94 at Sanford and Orlando. But here's a look at the Pinpoint Accurate Forecast.
Your forecast is sponsored by Del Air Heating, Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Electrical.
And today we warmed to a high of 92. The coverage of rain going up to 80%, all moving west to east. As we're seeing now, it will be more widespread by 2:30, 3 o'clock, and then on through 4 o'clock, approaching many of our coastal zones. Look at all those deep reds. That's the 80% coverage. There's 8 p.m., a chance for some heavy rain still in Brevard County, and then it pushes out. So early morning temperatures tomorrow in the mid and upper 70s, 75 in Orlando. Now here's a look at the 7-day forecast. As we get results, and you'll see those rain chances will be high at 80% for today and for tomorrow, 70% Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But the average high is 90. We're going to be very close to that every day on into the beginning of the weekend. To look at Sunday, a high of 89 for Sunday and Monday.